I am so excited to partner with Old Westminster Winery, ranked one of the top 10 wineries in US, to bring this pasta to life. Celebrate date night this Valentine's with my creamy lemon herb pasta that is so decadent. Start by heating oil in pan and to that add in garlic and chopped leeks. Let this saute for a minute before deglazing with some white wine. This Albarino from Old Westminster is my favorite. It is so floral and citrusy. Now add in your pasta. Then we will add in a Parmesan cheese, some fresh herbs like dill and basil, and some lemon zest and lemon juice for the brightness, salt, pepper and chili flakes. Then we will add some cashew cream that will make it so rich and decadent. Give this a gentle mix, and now we will finish it with some peas and baby spinach for some color and crunch. And trust me when I say that your special someone will feel so loved if you make this for them this Valentine's Day. When paired with a beautiful table setting, some fresh flowers, and this incredible terracotta wine from Old Westminster Winery, you are all set for the most intimate, amazing dinner. Head over to my blog for more detailed recipe and enjoy.